that younger generations are rapidly closing the wealth gap with their elders, driven largely by a surge in stock investments. From stimulus checks to savvy investing, our next report delves into the factors propelling this generational change.
A new study by the New York Federal Reserve reveals a striking trend. Younger Americans are experiencing a wealth boom. Between 2019 and 2023, the total wealth of those under 40 surged 80%, reaching $9.5 trillion. This growth far outpaced older generations, with those between 40 and 54 seeing a 10% increase and those over 55 a 30% increase. The study found younger generations invested heavily in stocks and mutual funds, increasing their exposure by 50% compared to just 20% for older groups. This move coincided with a booming stock market, fueling their wealth gains. Larger pandemic stimulus checks also played a role, providing younger individuals with more capital to invest. Corporate equities and mutual funds now make up 25% of the financial assets for those under 40, up from 18% in 2019, marking the fastest growth of any age group. Despite this impressive growth, the wealth gap between generations remains significant. Younger generations' $9.5 trillion pale in comparison to the $29 trillion held by those between 40 and 55 and $104 trillion of those over 55. This disparity is attributed to the life cycle of wealth accumulation, where older generations typically amass more wealth over time. However, with real estate prices soaring out of reach for many millennials and Gen Z buyers, stocks have emerged as the primary wealth builder for younger Americans, narrowing the wealth gap between generations. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.